Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your Ravanti Rajesh sir, your chemistry teacher. Today I am going to be discuss about stoichiometry. I'm not going to discuss about complete stoichiometry. I'm majorly focused on some problems. Okay, shall we start doing some problems? See, one problem is there here. It's 30 ml of mixture of methane and ethane in X to Y ratio by volume. On combustion gave 40 ml of carbon dioxide. If 30 ml mixture is taken in Y is to X ratio, what is the volume of carbon dioxide obtained under similar conditions? Okay, fine. Here in this problem some difficulties are there. What are the difficulties? Whenever mixtures are given, many of the students are doing mistake. They took like this equation. So don't take this type of equations. Don't combine these equations. CH4 plus C2H6 plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus H2O. Don't take combined equation. This is what you are expecting, that is wrong. You should take compulsory separate equation, the combination of methane and combination of ethane. So now I am discussing about this. First you have to write combination equation of methane and combination equation of ethane. So now the combination equation of methane is CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. The combustion equation of ethane is C2H6 plus 7 by 2 O2 gives rise to 2O2 plus 3H2O. Now, according to the given data, methane and ethane combinedly mixture is given. The mixture volume of this mixture is 30 ml. But that is X and Y, X is to Y ratio. But how much percentage, how much ml of methane, how much ml of ethane is, it doesn't know. So now you take like X is a methane, Y is ethane. So according to the stoichiometry equation, 1 mole of methane gives 1 mole of CO2. According to this, X ml of methane gives X ml of CO2. Then in ethane equation, 1 mole of ethane produce 2 moles of CO2. According to that, Y ml of ethane produce 2Y ml of CO2. So how we will take like this? Y is 2Y, like according to stoichiometry. According to the Avogadro's law, V directly proportional to N. Volume is considered as a moles. Moles considered as a volume. So now, according to the equations, the X is to Y ratio. First, what is given in the problem? The mixture of methane and ethane combinedly how much volume? That is 30 ml. So that is X plus Y is equal to 30. Then how much CO2 is produced from these two equations? Then in first equation X ml, in second equation 2Y ml. So then X plus 2Y equal to 40 ml. This is equation 2. Solve these equations. I think it is doing 2 minus 1. So take equation 2. This is equation 2. X plus 2Y equal to 40. X plus Y equal to 30. So after solving of the equation, we'll get Y value. Is it okay? So then this Y value substitute in any one of the equation will get its X value. So that is X plus Y equal to, I am taking this equation for simple calculation. X plus Y equal to 30. X plus 10. What is 10 here? Already Y value. Already we know that Y value. X plus 10 equal to 30. Then X equal to 30 minus 10. X equal to 20. So finally what you're getting? in the problem y equal to 10 ml, x equal to 20 ml. This is not a problem. Actually, what is a major problem in this question? So, shall we discuss now? In the case 2, what they are asking in the problem, if the same mixture is taken, that same mixture means 30 ml. If 30 ml taken, but they are asking y is to x ratio. So, if taking y is to x ratio, what is the volume of CO2? What is the total volume of CO2? So, you consider as the same equation now, methane combustion equation and ethane combustion equation. Then already here in these equations, it's a reverse. In the previous case, x is methane, y is ethane. But in this case, y is methane, x is ethane. So you consider like that. So it's y already we know that. How much y? 10 ml. So already we calculated. So 1 mole produce 1 mole here. 1 mole of methane produce 1 mole of CO2. So 10 ml produce 10 ml of CO2. Same according to Avogadro's law, V directly proportional to N. Then here how much CO2 produced from the methane? 10 ml. Then you take ethane. 1 mole of ethane produce 2 moles of CO2. Then here according to the data, X is 20. See, 1 mole produce 2 moles means 20 ml produce 40 ml of CO2. Then totally what they are asking, how much volume of CO2 is asking. So here total volume of x plus 2y, because of what is in total here. From here in this equation, methane produce 10 ml, ethane produce 40 ml. Totally 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. In this problem, so totally 50 ml of CO2 is coming out. So this is the way. Please don't do the mistake in this problem. Don't do this. Because of this methane plus ethane combined, it's give, we cannot get the answer. You write compulsory separate combustion equations. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.